Yo guys, what is up? It is the Korean Kid, and in this video I will be showing you guys my All-Star Weekend sneaker pickups. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, starting it off with the sneaker that came out before all the other ones is the Nike Air Force 1 Velcro swoosh back. And as you guys can see, it's just a white Air Force 1 with removable swooshes via Velcro. And it comes with a bunch of these interchangeable swooshes that are in multicolor, and you can mix and match swooshes with the shoe and even put on two at once. So this is one of the cooler pickups that I've gotten, and it's one of the most unique shoes that I've ever had. So let's get on to the second shoe of All-Star Weekend. Alright guys, so the second shoe is one of the most coveted shoes of this weekend, and it is the Jordan 1 Gold Toe. I actually got two pairs of these. I got this pair from Foot Locker, and I reserved another pair via the sneakers app. This is my favorite shoe so far of this year. And as you guys can see, on this side, it looks like the Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard. And on this side, it looks like the Jordan 1 Bread. But of course, in gold coloring. I just mean in color blocking. It's a really cool shoe, patent leather. This will look good with like lighter jeans or something like that. Just a very fashionable shoe, and it really pops because of the patent leather. It's very shiny. And let's get on to the next shoe that I got for All-Star Weekend. Alright guys, so the third shoe of All-Star Weekend is the Jordan 3 Black Cement. This is one of the most coveted shoes of this year because it's probably the most famous shoe to come out so far. This shoe, I had the 2010, I think, with the Jumpman on the back, but I'm really glad that they brought back the Nike Air because it just looks so clean on this shoe. Black hits on the little laces and on the Jumpman, as long as the inside of the tongue. Just one of the most classic colors of all Jordans, and by far the most known colorway of the Jordan 3. So let's get on to the last pickup of All-Star Weekend. Okay guys, the last pickup for All-Star Weekend, the shoe that comes out today on Sunday. The Air Foamposite 1 Big Bangs. This is one of the best shoes to come out this year, and it's by far the best Foamposite. I'm not even a big foam head, but these are the best Foamposites I've ever held, and one of the better sneakers. This shoe is beautiful. It's mind-numbingly gorgeous. The graphics on this are amazing. And in my opinion, it's better than the original Galaxy because it's a lot brighter. And it's a lot more noticeable as a Galaxy from far away. A very flashy shoe. Great materials. Not the best with gluing. There's some glue marks. But other than that, one of the best shoes. So if you guys enjoyed this video on my All-Star Weekend pickups, please leave a like and subscribe. And until next time, I'm out. Peace.